In this video we're covering the fitting of the door handles. To fit the door handles, simply unscrew the two small circular inner handles to separate the pieces. This should leave you with the main door handle body, two round metal caps for the back of the body, four rubber washers, and the threaded circular inner handles. You place a rubber washer on either side of the glass, the metal caps on the main body of the handle, and then screw the inner circular handles to secure the door handle in place. The main handle should fit to the exterior of the door. Do this for both doors.